Vanakkam. Welcome to our channel. Today we are showing you low-cost house construction in Chennai using interlocking bricks. Traditional brick construction la cement, sand usage romba adhigam marukam. But interlocking brick construction la plaster the vai illa, cement usage kami, and construction speed fast. Ipo ninga paakura wall, interlocking wall bricks use panitu build panarukam. Each brick perfectly lock agam, adhunala structure strong and durable la arukam. Right finger idu eco-friendly construction method. Right finger construction cost save pana mudium. Right finger time saving method. Many customers Chennai la ketkara question. Interlocking brick strong aruka? Answer, yes. Proper foundation and correct construction method follow pana, IDHU 2-floor construction kuda support panam. Nanga Chennai and Tamil Nadu la. Interlocking brick house construction, compound wall construction, and brick manufacturing services provide Panram. If you are planning to build your dream home in Chennai, low budget and strong construction solution Venamna, contact us.